Okay, so this one here, what I might suggest, instead of the I squared, -1, good. So we have a -1 up top, and the 2 minus I, and just like we did in the previous problem, we're going to multiply. We need to get rid of that I in the denominator. So multiply by 2 plus I, the conjugate of the denominator. Okay? And last time I went through I didn't do the whole FOIL process, so maybe I'll do that now because we can. That right there is a 4. The outer and the inner, I will show you those. Plus 2I and then minus 2I. So if you FOIL and don't do any shortcuts, that's why the I term is always going to go away. You also, by the way, have a minus I squared. And moments ago, we reminded ourselves what I squared was, and that's a -1. So this minus a -1 should actually be +1. And you're right, the 4 here and the +1 here give you a 5. Now, up top, that's a -2, and that is a -I, or -1I. So if we have that on top that doesn't reduce at all, we have a 5 on the bottom. You got your 5, you got your -2 minus 1I. That is an acceptable final answer. If this were a multiple choice question on a test, make sure that you recognize this as -1/5, where I is separate.